How to tow a car using tow straps. There are a number of ways to tow a vehicle, though some are better for certain situations than others. Tow straps can be a great way to get a vehicle pulled out of mud, snow, or sand, but may not be good for driving on the road. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations on car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to tow cars using tow straps. Using tow straps. 1. Check local ordinances to ensure using a tow strap is legal. Tow straps are generally considered to be the least safe way to tow a vehicle, and as such, laws may have been passed against the practice where you live. Locate a list of city and state ordinances pertaining to towing, and make sure using a tow strap doesn't violate any local laws. 2. Untangle the tow rope and lay it out in front of the vehicle. Place the end of the tow rope that you'll be connecting to the broken down vehicle in front of it, then work any knots or tangles out of the rope as you lay it down on the ground, extend it out from the vehicle. 3. Inspect the tow rope for damage. If your tow rope is torn or frayed, it could break under pressure when you begin pulling the broken down vehicle. Look the entire tow strap over for any signs of damage, and don't use the strap if you spot any. 4. Locate the recovery point on the frame of each vehicle. Many vehicles have recovery points on the frame, which are often just holes cut into the frame that you can run a recovery strap through or use a steel hook on. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual to help find the recovery point on the front of the vehicle to be towed and on the back of the vehicle doing the towing. 5. Run the strap or hook through the recovery point on the broken down vehicle. Run the strap through the hole for the recovery point. If it has a hook, use it to hook the strap to itself through the recovery point. If it has a loop at the end, run the strap through the recovery point hole, then run the end of the strap through its own loop to secure it in place. 6. Position the tow vehicle in front of the broken down one. Park it near the end of the tow cable that you laid out in front of the broken down vehicle. Park the tow vehicle so it is lined up with the broken down vehicle so they will both move straight forward when you start towing. 7. Attach the tow strap to the back of the tow vehicle. If you have trouble accessing the recovery point on the back of the tow vehicle, you can hook the strap to a tow hitch if your vehicle is equipped with one that is at least a Class 2. If you are unsure about your tow hitch, don't use it. 8. Pull the tow vehicle forward slowly until the strap is tight. Have the driver of the tow vehicle inch it forward slowly until it places enough tension on the tow strap to lift it off the ground. Direct the driver to stop once the strap is tight, but before it begins pulling the broken down vehicle. 9. Lay a jacket or blanket on the strap. A broken tow strap can be extremely dangerous. If it snaps, the nylon rope will move like a massive whip. And if there are metal hooks involved, the danger is compounded. Laying a jacket or blanket over the strap will help to reduce the whip effect if the strap breaks. 10. Pull the broken down vehicle very slowly. Ensure the broken down vehicle is in neutral. The strap will pull the vehicle toward the tow vehicle, so the driver of the broken down vehicle will need to control its brakes to prevent a collision while you tow. Only use tow straps to pull a vehicle a short distance, like to get it unstuck. And that's a wrap on how to tow a car using tow straps. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.